My people, how on a day? How on a weekend been go now? Hope on a rock and well. Now time to catch up on all the kata we've been happening for weekend. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to any part of the world when I take the watch me from. This not just hour for Cry Out TV with your girl, that's Silver, your sabi chick. I got a sunch now with Ogbonge Tori from around the world. Make una relax and enjoy. At least 3 people don't buy as one Amtrak train been come out for track. Updates we've been reach us. We say this incident been happen on Saturday afternoon, 25th September 2021. Say the train been they go from Seattle to Chicago and it come derail for North Central Montana. Liberty County Sheriff Dispatcher Star Taylor talk say 3 people and like plenty people way past 50 been wunjo. Amtrak spokesperson Jason Abrams talk say the train we been carry like 141 passengers and 16 crew members been derailed by 4 p.m. for Joplin Town and say the train been get 2 locomotives and 10 cars and 8 of the cars come out for track. We can make them detach bang come out for the train body. After officials been confirmed, say 3 people don't buy for the accident. Abrams talk say he pained them to sabi say those 3 people been buy for the accident. People where they live near the place where the crash been occur been run go help some passengers to one school where they very close. Can't give them water to use clean their dirty from their face. One grocery store for Chester where they close been help provide food for the passengers before authorities can carry the passengers with bus go hotel for Shelby. Alan Zaramsky, director of the Railway Engineering and Safety Program for University of Delaware, been suspect say the derailment been rise from issue with the train track or equipment or 2 of them joined together. He talk say it no fit be human factor we make this train come up for track. Say if na human, it go shock am like shocking. Investigators on land for the area, they touchlight wetin cause this derailment. They collect samples of tracks join. Once we sabi wetin cause this wahala, we go let una know for sure. RIP to the people we don't buy and to the ones we wunjo. We dey pray for speedy recovery on top their head. It don't reach 3 years where China been crammed 2 Canadians where their names nag. Michael Kovig will be former diplomat and Michael Spavo will be businessman. It be like China been carry all the Michaels with the Canada. Prime Minister of Canada Justin Trudeau don't confirm and say the 2 Michaels been day free on Friday 24th September and them don't board plane they go house we be say them land Saturday 25th September 2021. Trudeau been no disclose waiting stop we bring about their release but for news conference we been hold for Ottawa it been thank Canadian allies for their support. We hear say waiting these 2 Michaels don't use IC for inside that 1,000 days where them been day for prison for China no be here. So waiting inspire them to still be alive, saying a grace, strength and perseverance. If not, then for don't buy te. We hear say them cramp the 2 Michaels on espionage charges for China. Immediately US been cramp Hawaii executive Meng Wanzhou on US warrant for matter we relate to company business with Iran. US been get initial plans to detain Meng till like 2022. All man been talk say China been cramp the 2 Michaels as payback say Meng dey prison for Canada. But China been talk say nothing join these 2 cases together. Earlier on Friday, US court and Meng been reach agreement where make them drop the 2 charges on top Meng head. Now so Meng take day free, they travel back go China that same Friday, 24th September 2021. Inote PM for Canada come announce the release of the 2 Michaels for China. All man plus including Michael COVID employer been welcome the news as Trudeau announced them. Even for Meng's side, all man they happy, say Meng don't they free. Not in way our president Bubu no go use IC for Intelo hand because wahala be like trouser. It need a hard to turn to palazzo. Tori way they reach us all the way from Afghanistan, we say to trim beards or to shave them don't turn taboo for Afghan. Talibans don't even ban some barbers for Helmand province, make them no trim or shave beards. To show how serious this trimming beards matter day, Taliban religious police say anybody will violate this rule, punishment must reach inside. They also add say trimming or shaving beards they against their interpretation of Islamic law. The rule don't circulate well as so barbers for Kabul don't sabi about this rule. Even customers know they even try am for their life to touch their beards. Some suggestions been just they fly up and down, say Talibans won't use style, go back to their harsh rulings before 2001. And for that period, guys know they do anyhow for their head and don't they touch their beards. Customers don't even stop to they touch their hair. Make Taliban no go chook eye for their matter. One barber for Western City of Harare talk say he never even gets info yet, but he don't stop to the shave people beards. It be like Talibans won't make all man they look alike. Anyways, make we share the word Talibans and Afghanistan. Former colonel for Rwandan army where them been nabbed, sake of say in follow booth reach 800,000 people for 1994 genocide attack, don't buy for prison for Mali. The 80-year-old Tionesta Bagosora, na senior figure for Rwandan Ministry of Defense for the time where the killings been occurred. One UN-backed criminal tribunal been sentenced them to life imprisonment, where then come later shorten them to 35 years. Bagosora Pikin actually talk say him papa been die for hospital for Bamako, where them been the treatment for heart disease. For the 100 days genocide where 800,000 people been by, we hear say most of the people we been by now from Tutsi ethnic group. The massacre been started after their plane we been carried their presido that time Juvenal Habyarimana been crashed for 6th of April 1994, and everybody for the plane been women. Then been arrested Bagosora 2 years later for Cameroon around 2008. International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda and been confined and guilty for crimes against humanity, plenty murder, etc. Earlier this year, after he don't serve plenty years, he been request made them release him early. They deny him the request and he main sentence na till he enter 89 years. He been don't serve the sentence for Kwakuru prison where they Mali, plus including others where their hand day for inside the genocide attack and killings. Now there all of them day. Former U.S. presidential candidate Hillary Clinton don bag confirmed honorary title as she become chancellor for UK University. Clinton na be the first ever female chancellor for Queen's University, Belfast. She shared the good news for her Twitter handle, say, "Just call me Madam Chancellor." See as the title enter wella and she really merit them as per her handwork and leadership virtue. Clinton is 74 years old and she be former First Lady for United States when her husband Bill Clinton been president. She later become senator for US, then later presidential candidate for US consecutively, even though say she no win. I beg make we enter another news. Tori where they reach us from Lebanon be say fuel shortage where they happen for Lebanon don't too much. So they affect plenty businesses. Come make all man don't rely on black markets. Even the black market self na no go area. Plenty people they queue for line to fit buy fuel for the black market. Sometimes self they result to bus boost, other times they finish before you reach your turn. Person fits they queue to buy fuel, put for car to go work. Before you fit see fuel, buy, finish, come out, work don't close. Some people pack their cars, can't turn their Mercedes to Legacy's Benz. Now trek, all man the trek, go anywhere now. We even hear say one man we been they come out fuel from in vehicle and been one sucker with pipe. Oga go do mistake, swallow the fuel. Lebanese National News Agency talk say the Syrian young man where they live for Northern Benham die for hospital. Recently, the central bank been decide to end the fuel subsidy katakata. Now so them can increase the price to 10 times higher past last year price. Some say na bad governance, plus including corruption and crisis within the country. Now they affect all man. UN don't estimate say poverty they choke 78% of the country population, plus unemployment where they hit them, plus their currency where the value don't drop like water. Now wow, make their government find way help the people. RIP to the Syrian man we losing life yesterday, 26 September 2021, sake of well wahala. Palestinian Health Ministry don't talk say 4 Palestinians don't buy for West Bank as Israeli army been raid the place. Like say in Odu, we receive updates say heavy fighting been happen for Jenin city after the raid. Israeli Prime Minister Naftali Bennett talk say Israeli forces been mount operation against Hamas militants where been one carry out attack. Israeli officials been no comment on the casualties, but local media have been let all man know say 4 Palestinians been by. Palestinian source talk say them been moved 1 for Bekin near Jenin and the other 3 for Bidu near Jerusalem. Last week for Jenin, Israeli been recaptured last 2 out of 6 fugitive Palestinian militants who been escaped from their maximum security prison. In no reach 2 seconds, the 4 Palestinians come by for Israeli raid to arrest suspect for West Bank. Weeks before that, 4 undercover raid where Israeli been carried out for Jenin been moved 2 Palestinian intelligence officers and 1 Palestinian where them been suspect one carry out attack. From waiting UN talk, then let all man know say at least 256 people don't buy for the 11-day katakata where they between Israel and Palestine militant groups for Gaza, and like 13 people don't buy for Israel. Chillax, a small update on their katakata will still reach us. It remains few days make September carry mat waka as October don the gym to enter. Every 1st of October and a day to mark the remembrance of inception of independence for Nigeria since October 1st, 1960. For this year 2021 Independence Day celebration, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, don't declare that day as a sit-at-home day. IPOB Media and Publicity Secretary Ima Powerful signed statement on Saturday say that day na Operation No Nigerian Flag in Biafran Land. One of IPOB executive wey im name na Chika Edoziem talk during radio broadcast say lockdown go dey for Southeast for October 1st, and he yarn say them go remove all Nigerian flags wey dey for Biafran land. He also talk say them don't communicate with banks and give them reasons why them gats bring down their flags peacefully. Failure to do so, then go do them on their own way. Make we enter another news. Some people like to borrow money past federal government. Then go borrow money from you, come still they form King Kong on top your money. Creditor time debtor like Christmas goat on top 4.6 million naira debt. Police don't arrest Oluchi Okoye, aka Parker, sake of say in tie up Mr. Ruben Alozie, where they owe him up to 4.6 million naira. The suspect tie up the victim joint stick for uncompleted building for number 29 Abeokuta Street, Ebutemeta, Lagos, and the victim don dey under hostage for close to 24 hours before police come to rescue. Oluchi Okoye talk say Mr. Ruben Alozie borrow money from his hand and he no wan gree pay back. He talk say Mr. Ruben talk say he get the money but he no go pay. As him don't try his best to recover his money, now him face the matter with red eye on his own. The victim dey ground they cry like say his own don't finish as him they narrate in audio give police. Commissioner of Police CP Hakeem Odumosu confirmed the arrest of Oluchi Okoye and him direct say them go transfer and go the proper investigations and prosecution. The spokesman of the police command, CSP Adekunle Ajisebutu, talk say it no good make people they take laws into their hands instead of legal action for justice. Make una watch this video as person papa they cry like Salaram.
Take your money from him. Excuse me. To bring it. Is it the way you obtain your money from him? Collect your money from him?
He said the money is with him. He said it. He said the money is with him.
Yeah, even if the money is with him, is that the way you will collect your money? Answer me now, Oga.
Okay, the money is with him. This is what he told you. He said the money is with him. I swear to Almighty God.
Okay, this is the way you want to collect your money.
The money is with him. The money is with him.
Is it the way you want to collect your money?
The money is with him.
No, go down. That time, and the man face and the leg. The face, the arm, the leg.
How's this man? How many days? Sir, how many days have you been here?
Since yesterday.
Which time yesterday?
In the morning.
Record. Which time of the yesterday morning, sir?
I came here around that time, 9 o'clock in the morning.
Since yesterday? Yesterday?
Yes, they started beating me.
Till now?
Roll me in the water. Tie me rope. See my ear.
God.
Come this way. See this ear.
Oh my God.
See that ear. They broke my
what
eardrum.
What did they use?
The wood.
Wood?
Yes, they broke my eardrum. I can't hear properly.
Can you hear very well now?
I can't hear very well.
You can't hear.
Himself 9 wicked pass. How you go borrow that kind amount and you no one pay? I beg make we enter another news. Officials for California, they asked the public to help them identify one man wey don dey for hospital over 1 month, and the man no fit remember his name or anything wey dem go fit take link am to him family. Dem been find the man for one corner for Arden Arcade area wey dey for Sacramento for August 24th before dem carry am go hospital, according to Highway Patrol. Hospital staff wey dey for UD Davis Medical Center wey dey where dem carry the man go say dem don try all their best to identify the man, but e no work. According to statement wey the hospital been release, dem put the man picture up where dem capture John Doe. The man no fit remember im name, where he come from, or whether he get family, according to the hospital. Them also talk say the man dey 5 feet 11 inches tall, 167 pounds. Him no get tattoos, and say the man no dey speak English, say only Spanish. I beg anybody wey fit identify this man, make it try link up to him family. My people, now for here now I go bala break for today. My mouth don't dey pain me. Before I carry myself come out from studio this morning, I beg no forget to follow us on all our social media handles. Subscribe, like, and share. If you not get any eyewitness story we want me to talk about, I beg no forget to reach us for our DM. No look for trouble. I go follow you, Ginger. I know if it ever follow you fight. My name still be Da Silva, your sabi chick. I go see you later. Until then, stay safe.